Alright, now, modals can actually also be used to ask questions and to allow someone to do things, to give them instructions. So you notice that these words that you see on the screen are almost exactly the same as the words we saw in part 1, but we're using it in a different way now. So there are many different ways that you can use just these 4 words, can, could, may, and will. Let's see how we can use them to ask questions, ask for permission, and give instructions, or to give permission. Flash this slide, and you give them the examples. For example, to ask a question, I could use the word can by saying, can you tell me where the park is? But that's very different from using the word can to give permission or to allow or to instruct by saying, you can help by hanging this up, or I can tell you where the park is, right? We use the word can but in different ways. Can you give me a sentence using the word can to ask a question and call it a learner? What about to allow or to instruct? Can you give a sentence using the word can when you call them a learner? And then you basically do the same with the other modals, with will, with may, and with could. Alright, now flash this slide and explain that what they'll be doing now is, again, for 2 minutes, writing down 1 sentence per word that they see there. So try to use can as a question and then use can in a sentence to allow her to instruct. Not the way that we learned it a while ago in part 1, but to give permission to her, to give instruction. And do this for all the words that you see on the slide. You have 2 minutes. Your 2 minutes starts now. And then after 2 minutes, you call on learners to share their answers or get them to share in smaller groups first, like they did earlier in pairs. You can even switch it up by if you have a smaller class and if you have time, get them to stand up with their notebooks. Okay, now take 5 steps in any direction, 5 big steps. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now turn to the person closest to you and share your answers. And then afterwards, call on learners to share their answers with a bigger class. So you can switch it up and have fun with it, as long as you get them talking and as long as you get them sharing.